Kakachamba ka talaga ng mga bago pa. Tsaka mura lang. May change siya na soundbar. Hello guys, good evening. Kakauwi lang namin from thrifting. Pumunta kami ng Goodwill and good times. I'll show you what we got. First, kuha ko ito. Ayan. Spring na yan. Nasa $5.20. Ganda siya. Necklace na authentic original Disney park. Ito siya guys, ayan. Pero ito, pumunta kami ng thrift store. Magpunta tayo ng gamit. Samba. Sa Goodwill, nakachamba ka talaga ng mga bago pa. Tsaka mura lang. Isabilhin mo sa store. Diba? Ang next naman is, ayan, yung hat or cap na kali. Ipapadala ko to sa ano ko. Bago rin. Bago pa. Sa aking pamangkin. Kasi nagpapabili siya ng kali na hat. Ayan, pang lalaki. Ayan. Kasi gusto niya mga ganito. Ito is nasa $6.60. Ayan. Padala ko sa Philippines, sa Pinas. And then, ito, sa pamangkin ko na babae. Kasi mahilig sa pink. So, ayan. Yung brand niya naman is Vans Off the Wall. Nasa ano lang to siya. $4.50. $4.50. Mga bago pa siya guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Diba cute siya, no? Oh, siya. Siya. Mabango. Bagong laba. Ano yan, mga malilinis yung mga ano doon, yung mga paninda. Nilinis talaga nila guys. So, yan lang. Yung binayaran pala ni Mr. is konti lang naman siya guys. Kasi dumiretso kami doon kasi nagtingin-tingin siya. So, $40.09. Ayan yung binayaran. Yan lang. Pero tsamba, diba? Ang gaganda ng mga nabili natin. Yan, ito. Sa pamangkin ko na babae. So, that's it guys. Hope nagustuhan nyo ang ating good finds sa thrift store.
A few inches later.
And tada! We made our own fries from the air fryer. Haircut! But it's
Yes, I
naked though,
did.
so I just the head.
I
Looks good.
yes, it does.
Here my banana ketchup. My
Yes,
tamis
Mama,
ang
pero-
UFC. Made fries.
We need free 360s, prison, and even
Let's eat.
But today, I will say what is supposedly the wildest Xbox 360 I've ever seen, and I have no idea what it looks like, frankly. So let's open it up, test it out, and find out if it's
Good.
okay.
Yummy.
Box is not a box.
My ketchup.
Oh, bad si Habi.
The next day.
Where are we going?
Popeyes.
I'm gonna get some Popeyes for late lunch and early dinner. Tapos kaka-uwi ko lang from work or kaka-off ko lang from work. Popeye, here we come! Pops, pops, Popeye. Wanna be fat like. Oh, we got our order. We're waiting. Yes, Mr. Are we?
Hello.
Pops, Popeyes.
Yeah, well, Popeyes. Eat.
Naghihintay kami sa aming order. Got it? Here, that's what hubby. This one is for you.
For me,
The price. And I have my 4-piece
one
chicken.
part for me, one part for you.
Yeah, mashed potato. Piece chicken, fries, and then hubby has a sandwich, and mashed potato. It's a strawberry lemonade. Roasted. Kain tayo guys.
Hope
Getting out of ice. Ito na kami sa car. Ito yung take home namin. Hindi namin naubos.
Are you ready, man?
Who like the Philippine flag right here? Of course, me.
You?
home.
We are home.
Tingnan niyo si Marley. Hey! She get into our leftover.
We got some.
Hey, Marley! Hey! Excuse me? No!
We got some.
Cat diaper. Kasi yung senior kitty namin na si Izzy, ano siya, umiihi sa sahig. Itago muna natin to bago kainin ni Marley. Sa fridge.
Oh.
Kainin ni Marley. Ay. Ito pala siya guys, si Izzy, pumayat na siya.
Easy.
Kasi
Easy
nga,
so weak.
Ano siya, wala siyang matanda na kasi 17 years old. Love you.
She lost a lot of weight.
Guys.
Hey.
Let her smell.
My baby
So,
Easy.
Pero kumakain pa rin siya at umiinom ng tubig. Papakita ko sa inyo ang wardrobe ko galing sa work. Free wardrobe. Ayan. Ito yung paper na binigay ni boss sa akin. So, ito yung free wardrobe na for early spring. Ayan siya. May chain siya na silver. Yes. Chain belt na silver. Try natin mamaya. Ay, si Marley, oh. Nakaharang. Ay, naku, ito talaga po sa ito. Hilig sa, camera. Daddy is with the baby. Hi, baby. This is...
Look at the camera, baby.
Dada.
Look at the camera, love.
She's still pretty.
Yeah, she's a pretty girl.
Look at the min.
Yeah, I mean it.
Pala yung ating wardrobe, guys. Yan siya. So, ito na yung ating wardrobe. Ganyan siya. Ito yung chain belt. Silver hardware. Siya. Tsaka shoes natin is Michael Kors din yan. Free din yan. Nakuha natin last time. White. All white siya na sneaker. Wow, you don't wanna kiss me? I love you.
Baby.
But your necklace is so close. I love you.
Like Asus with the ROG phone. Like the early ROG phones, the Republic of Gamers phones, were hardware-focused gaming enthusiast phones with
Easy, can you tell mom hi? Tell mom hi, baby. Hi. Say I love you, mom. Say I love you, mom. Say I'm doing a lot better, mom.